Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to breed rare dragons in DragonVale. Breeding rare dragons can be a rewarding challenge, and understanding the core mechanics is your first step. We will cover the essential principles, explore different rare dragon types, and highlight the crucial role that your parent dragon's levels play in achieving successful outcomes. Get ready to enhance your park with some truly magnificent creatures. The heart of rare dragon breeding lies in understanding elemental combinations. Each rare dragon typically requires a specific mix of elements from its parents. Remember, a level 10 parent dragon offers a much better chance than a level 4. For the best possible odds, always use the Epic Breeding Island, which provides a 25% boost to your chances of getting rare dragons. Strategic pairing is everything. To target specific rare dragons, research is essential. Many rare dragons have documented breeding combinations that significantly increase your chances. Online breeding sandboxes or calculators can be invaluable tools, helping you experiment with pairs without wasting in-game time. Keep in mind that some of the rarest dragons might have a success rate as low as 1%, so patience and many attempts are often required for success. To truly maximize your rare dragon breeding success, consider upgrading your breeding caves. This reduces the time it takes for dragons to breed and hatch, allowing for more attempts. Always keep an eye out for special in-game events, as these often introduce unique rare dragons with specific, temporary breeding windows. Finally, using a few gems to speed up a long breeding time can be a smart investment when you are chasing that elusive rare dragon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.